We are here live with Antonio from Africa. Please tell us where you're from, Antonio.
Yes, I'm from Angola and it is in Africa.
Awesome. And you read a little bit about the book and the course and how the brain can increase its abilities. What's your thoughts on how the brain can increase its abilities and how that affects our income?
It is very important because like reading to your book, it tells us how the brains work. You know, through the book we have the information, right? We have also the information, and our brain has a lot of capacity to get all the information that we needed to learn. And if you are reading the book, you're gonna understand how it works. Of course, in the book also, my brother Brad and my good friend, also he talks about the wisdom, and he goes a little bit about the book of Proverbs, chapter 8, that Solomon, he was a guy with a lot of wisdom, and with the wisdom, he know how to apply the knowledge that he had with the wisdom that he got from God. And also the books teach us this, how to apply the knowledge that we have to get a good judgment, through wisdom.
Yes, I know you have a lot of background in business and in economics, so thank you for sharing that about how the brain can improve its ability and how that brain ability improves our financial measurements. And would you recommend the book to various income levels and age ranges?
Yes, I do recommend the book. The book has a lot of wisdom, and I enjoy reading the book. And I believe if you are looking at me now, I recommend you guys to read the book. With the book, you're gonna have a lot of knowledge, and that gonna help you to increase your income. The book is gonna teach you how to use your money, how to apply this theory to a life. And it is a great book, and I recommend you guys to read the book. It is amazing, has a lot of information. Of course, through books we learn a lot, and also with God, of course, God gives us wisdom, a lot of wisdom and knowledge, and to apply. And then this book is gonna be very helpful if you read and apply those.
Absolutely. So there's the case. Will the book increase labor productivity rates, expense to income ratio, disposable income, assets? It definitely can. Thank you so much, Antonio.
Thank you, and I hope you guys read the book. Thank you.